This is Classical Gamer. Welcome. It is Thanksgiving week. So, big question. Want all of you to answer. Put down in the description below what you are all thankful for. So please tell me. We're going to be battling some tonight, or today. What's the new one they have? Monster. Yeah. What's the naval base look like? Modulus removed, huh? Oh, that's for... I know what that is for. Where's the other two at? Has to be one of these. There we go, we got all of it. Oh yeah. Actually, what I'm going to do is put it back to like the old one, Ocean Port save changes. Port is loading. There we go. We can see it now. So, let's figure out what ship we should use. USS Clemson. That's a destroyer. I don't know, that's the Japanese Myoga, which is a battleship. Russian Bogatyr. Well, that'd be USSR Bogatyr. US or RAN or yeah, Royal. Oh, I don't remember. RN, Royal Navy, I guess. That's French. I don't know what that is. That is a destroyer. Let's use this one. Don't know exactly what country that is from. Modules. Do I have... No, I haven't used this. Okay, so let's go. So while this is loading, let me tell you what I am thankful for. I am thankful for my family, and also for my friends. And not just my real life family, the family of you guys, the community, even though YouTube is getting harder. I appreciate all of you. Now, there will be no stream this Friday for Thanksgiving. I've been spotted. I can't get close enough to him. Oh, hello. What was that? Sink 'em! He's going down one way or another. Take him down, take him down. And he's down. I know I've been detected. Oh, the USS Erie has sunk in the Black Swan. I don't know what country the Black Swan is part of. Turn. Bingo. They're down. I need to turn. There we go. Come on, don't cause damage to your own team here. Where's the third one at? Oh, the two are right there. Come on. Last one's right there. Bingo. Victory. Back to port. See what we can do here. Well, hold on. Should be able to research that. Yeah. Yo. I'll do that because I have enough to do that. Sell. It's an easy. Okay. So now we're gonna go back up to the beginning here. Do this one. So now I'm just gonna use this one. So if I can get 7, one more. Players within your range, one more, yeah. Okay, there we go. That's on. show you just how big my boat is here. USS Clemson has 4. Just opened my disc tray. That's rock. Yeah, this thing moves fast. Enemy planes. Just watch, the AA guns will start firing. My AA guns. Take him down. I saw him, but I'm not gonna be able to do much. I don't know why I just did that. It's completely stupid of me. Uh-oh. Turn in. Go this way, go this way. I gotta lead it by a lot. Penetration. We have connection. What? Where did those come from? That's Wyoming, isn't it? The USS Wyoming? Yep. When's this? That's French. Don't know what one that is. It's German. What happened to the big US one that I was watching? Armigen's under attack. Shit, free cam. Want to see where some of the... I don't know if I can see the destroyed tanks or not. Or planes, they're not tanks, sorry. USS Wyoming. Come on, take him out. Where's the aircraft? I don't see any newer planes on there. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. Take them down. There we go. Nice job. I want that one. Yeah, there we go. Sorry to say, but this guy's going down. It's 4-4. Take him down. Come on, you can do this. There you go. We like just leaving these two unguarded. And this guy's gonna need help. He's done. He's done for it. Yep. I only see two of them. Where's the third ship? Their aircraft carrier must be back over here somewhere. Take him down. You can take him down. What in the world? Take him down. You guys can win this. Got 11 minutes left. I was gonna say, did the one sitting right there go down? That plane's down. That guy completely missed right there. Shoot him. Come on, he's so close to going down. Take him down. Can't leave him to his own. Don't leave him on his own. Come on. There, I can watch all four of them now. It's down to the last two. 2 and 2. It's got bombs. Like how he's just sitting here. What's this guy doing? He's just gonna sit here, I would guess, as well. And he's moving. Oh, this guy's on fire now. Come on, you can do it. Don't leave it down to the 2 aircraft carriers. If it's left to the aircraft carriers, they're done. Aircraft carrier versus aircraft carrier. Aircraft versus aircraft. Come on, you can do this. Oh, I'm like, wait a minute, where is this coming from? He's way over there. He's way over here. He was right here. He's still right here. Seven minutes left. Take him down. Like how the planes completely avoid each other. Agreed. This is more of a battle between the planes and the... I'm pretty sure they're gonna win. I hate to say it, but I think they are. Yeah, it's still over here though. Go take them down, boys. Yeah, they're gonna win. No, it's like I3 and I4 that he's in. Now see, do they all have the same thing on the top of them? I think they might. Okay, come on. Take him out. Let's go. 3 minutes. There's only 2 planes left. We have lost connection. Squadrons, take flight. Yeah, we're definitely gonna lose this one. This battle is lost, my friend. We tried. You'd think to take out those first. See what these two do here. Yeah, now there's no one to shoot him down. Some damage there. Turn around, shoot him again. Come on, 27 seconds. Those are dead on. Come on, you can do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We lost that one. defeat. Battle on. So I have a destroyer. Destroyers actually move quite quick. It's just depending if the game wants to load quick. Strat. Standard battle. Good. I don't like any other one besides standard battle. General's quarters. Slow down. Battle stations. We got trouble. Just saw a ship over there. I thought I did. Penetration.
Engine boost activated. Smoke generator started. taking the lead. Engine boost deactivated.
Greens. Oh, great. That's an aircraft carrier. The module for Clemson. There's this guy. Yeah. They are cool, but I do not like the the style. I don't know what you call it. The port. Let's see what I got here. Okay. I don't really like the aircraft carriers for me to play as. I do like having them in battle though. There we go. So I have. After this, I think we'll switch to another ship. And then, or depending on how long this battle is, will depend on what we do next. How about we start? I completely forgot all. Awesome, this destroyer is cool. Let's go to C first. Or no, we're going this way. It seems like that's where everyone else is going. USS Nicholas. USS Nicholas reporting for duty. USS Nicholas ready for battle. Let's do this. First target sighted. 37 killed. I want the AA guns enabled. Just, well, we don't have any aircraft carriers on this one. I see it, I'm not gonna run into it. Let's get in there. Detected. Bingo! How long does it take to? I'm going down. Get that thing out of here. Did I get that other ship? Where's Bob Carter at? USS New York. Where's the one that was by my... yeah, this one. Come on, 3 left. What's Yorktown doing? Or New York. Oh, there's 2 New Yorks. Didn't know that. This one's in battle. They're in combat. We're all in battle right now. Bingo. He's down. There you go, the one I wanted to want. Somehow he just missed that. Come on, you can do it. There we go, watch this guy. Watch New York over here. Come on, you can do it. It's 6 against 2. I'm gonna watch these two and see what's going on over here. I'm gonna say, I think that's New York. So both might be New Yorks. They both look like New Yorks. I know that one definitely is a New York. Come on, take him down. Take him down. Take him down. Come on, let's go. You can do it. Come on, New York. Boom. Come on. Let's see this take place here. Let's go, let's go. Contact. Like I said, contact. Nice. And I think what we're gonna do is back to port. So I got modules real quick. What do I need for that? Yeah, I should be able to do that. Research. So that will increase haul. Okay. So I think next time we'll do something different here. Next video, which will be next week. Remember, don't forget in the comments down below, put what you are thankful for, because it is Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is all about being thankful. So I will see you guys next time. as always, stay classical. And I will see you later. See ya.